Hi guys, I am Mariel Bago, second year HRM student. So today I will be showing you how to make shrimp tempura. So without further ado, let's get started.
So we have here shrimps. The first thing we do is to peel the shrimps way up to the edge of the tail, and after that we remove the middle sharp tail using a knife. And then we leave the 4 tails flat, and using the back of the knife we remove these things. It makes the tail crispy and edible. There. And after that, we devein the shrimps. We cut in the middle, and then we remove the veins. Then on the other part, and then after removing the veins, we cut the shrimps to avoid the shrimps to curl when we fry it. And then turn it over and massage and break the shrimp muscles. So there. So the next step is to make the batter. We have here rice flour, sesame oil, and ice cold water. So let's just mix. And make sure not to over mix the batter. Then let's add the sesame oil. So when you're done, this is the consistency you're looking for. So let's move on to fry. So for our sauce, we have here hot water, dashi powder, mirin, and soy sauce. So first thing is we put dashi powder in the hot water. And then the mirin. And soy sauce. And you just wait it to boil. So the next thing we do is to fry the shrimps. Just cook it for some few seconds.